Did you know that feeling inadequate or imposter syndrome is not actually a bad thing? Most people want to immediately get rid of it, or thinking that something is wrong with me, but it's actually a signal that helps you grow. When you feel inadequate, your mind may telling you there's a gap between where I am and where I want to be. And that gap, that can be healthy. In its adaptive form, feeling inadequate shows humility, not arrogance. It shows you care. It shows you have a standard. It keeps you grounded. And sometimes it's the very thing that motivates you to grow. Without ever feeling inadequate, we might become complacent or arrogant that we know it all. But here's the key. Like all emotions, this can become maladaptive. Healthy inadequacy says, I need to improve in this area. Unhealthy inadequacy says, I'm not good enough as a person. I'm fundamentally flawed. I'll never be good. Notice the shift? From behavior to identity. So next time you feel this way, pause and ask, is this about a skill I can learn? Or am I attacking who I am? Growth requires humility, but healing requires self-compassion. Feeling inadequate, it doesn't mean you are inadequate. It just means you care about becoming better. And that's not a weakness. It's just being human.